Alright, this is UFC Select Hybrid H2 5-box numbers. Damn, I think we rolled 9 at least 3 or 4 times today. 1, 2, 3. Zach B down to Hugo like a boss. 9 times. I'm going to make 4 stacks of 5. We'll just do a whole stack. Should be 20 in here. Actually, they're already stacked. If we roll a 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the die? There it is. 3. So that's number 3. When I dump this upside down, this will be in the front left because these will be closest to the camera. Front left stack. Oh man, caught a hanger, Sarge. There it is. Alright, so it's this whole stack up here. Let me stack these right. Somebody's at the door. What are you asking, AA Ron? What do you mean slabs, group breaks? We already did it. I can put it up at probably, you never know if it fills fast or not though. In the last one, John took the last 5 to make it go. I can put it up if you want to though, let me know. Nothing else, we can do them tomorrow. Another one. I'm just going to number them out as we go along because why not? Nunez, get out of there. 5, 8, 1, 4, 6, 3 on Octagon side, Carla Esparza. 2, 7. Peter Yan. 9 on Nurmagomedov. 1, 4. 18 of 99. Vincente Luque. Slew, I just posted the last two Immaculate a couple minutes ago. On the Twitch side, I just posted it a couple minutes ago. That's the last two Immaculate. I have more Panini 1 and 3 and 2 I meant. But 18 on that one. Justin, that's yours. 8, 2, 4, 6, 9. There's Cain Velasquez, 8. He set bail the other day. I was reading the whole story about it. Sarah McMahon, not for nothing, but the dude he was shooting at. Now, granted, you shouldn't shoot into a car with other people in it. They could be innocent. But the dude that he was shooting at, like, fondled his son's private parts, his 5-year-old son's for private parts. And the son said that he had been doing it to other kids, too. If I was Cain, I would be the same way. I want to kill that MFer. I'd be driving down the highway looking for him my damn self. 5, 7, 9. Nina Nunez, 116. 6 on Brandon Roval. 8 Octagon on Magomed. 11. 3, 5. Here's our next number. Steven Peterson, 16 of 49. $16 is Dime. Dime, you get a rookie blue of Steven Peterson. How does that make you feel? Lerone Murphy goes to 3. 5, 7, 0, 3. Silver, Brandon Moreno, 1. 8 on Dominic Reyes, donut circles. 8, 0, 2, 9. 0's Angela Hall. 3, 1. 7, 0, 3, 5 on John Jones Silver. 9, 3, 6, 2, 4. Francis Ngannou, last one stamp, 49 of 49. Anthony Ark, that's Octagon side, blue, last one stamped, donut circles. 7, 3, 6, 9, 2. Raquel Pennington, 75 of 99, going to Chief. That's the red circles. 4, that's Bubakar Nurmagomedov. 7, 0, 3, 5, 3 on Rose Namajunas, 2 on Tito Ortiz, 2 circles. 4 Nurmagomedov, 6, 8, 0, 6 on Neil Magny, that's a silver. 6, 5, 7, Peter Yan, 9, another Nurmagomedov, 1, and 4. Conor McGregor, 36 of 99. A red. Dime? How does that make you feel? 7 on Amanda Nunes. 1, 3, 5, 8, 32, Angela Hill, 32 of 49. Matt P. Blue, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4. Zhang Weili, Octagon 291. Octagon donut circles there, Zach B. 7 on Patty Pimblett. 1. The third Nurmagomedov. That one's Umar. 4, 6, 8, 9 on Islam Makhachev. Silver. 9, 2, 4, 6, 9, 0 on Joel Alvarez. 3 on Matthews Nicola. 2, 5, 7, 9, 132 on Dominic Cruz. Circles. 0 on Angela Hill. Joel Alvarez 296 Octagon side. Oh, see you later, AA Ron. Have a good lunch, dude. 0, 2, 9, 9 on Dustin Jacoby. Circles. 5 on John Jones. 7, 0, 3, and 5. They're all numbered. That's the UFC fiber. Thanks, everybody. I think you